Hello guys and welcome to the first ever The Process Shower episode. Today we're going to be talking about investing from scratch. I will first tell you a bit background about myself and then I will tell you my investment story. So my name is Oscar, as I already told you. I live in Mexico. I'm proudly Mexican. I live in Monterrey. It is at the north of the country. Here's the picture of a map. I'm 21 years old. In 1 month, I turned 22. I'm a pretty average guy. I got my friends, I got a girlfriend. I live with my parents. This is my desk in my room. I study engineering. That's pretty much it. Now we can go to my investment story. Most of last year, my only income was the $30 that my father gave me every week. He gave me 600 pesos, but now 600 pesos is equal to $30. That was all the money that I've earned every week. The last 2 months of 2020, a company that I met like 2 years ago, which makes team bondings for other companies, contacted me. So I started doing these events, which last like 2 hours max. They are on Zoom because of the pandemic. So I started doing these events and I have started getting some interesting money. The good thing was that I wasn't spending all of this money that came into my account, you know. I didn't increase my lifestyle. I stayed with my previous lifestyle and I was just saving some money. By the beginning of this year, I already have a fair amount of money earned, maybe like $400, yeah, maybe $400. And I started thinking I cannot have this money here without making something for itself. I need to put this money to work. So I started making some research about, I had this idea of investing, so I search in YouTube investing. Some things about day trading popped out. The thing with that it seemed so complicated. You really have to know how to read these graphs, and this guy was putting like $500 on it, like every time he's invested, and he invested like 10 times in the same day. So like right at the beginning, it wasn't the thing for me. So then I have this friend who I've heard him talking about the stock market and buying stock and buying Bitcoin. So I got interested in that and I started researching on YouTube about this kind of investing, passive investing. So I got this app called eToro. It has an option of copy trading in which the app copies everything that the other person does, like a certain person does. You can see all the information, the history, the numbers of the other person, and then you can make the decision to copy them. I thought it was a really good idea because I didn't have to put my hands on the stock. I didn't really have to know which stocks to buy, which ones not to buy. I only gave my money and I thought that the money will multiply by itself without me doing anything. So when I really decided to start investing, I put into eToro $200 on copy trading and $35 on Bitcoin. Right at the moment that I put the $35 on Bitcoin, it was like one day before it reached the 52K all-time high. So after 4 days that I invested on Bitcoin, I got really red numbers. But I knew that you never lose until you take the money out, until you close the action. So I decided to leave it there. My copy trading thing stayed pretty stable. It was always in red numbers, like -1, -2 dollars. So some time passed, and that's like 1 week or so. And every day I got up and checked my eToro account. And I always check the Bitcoin graph. So after some time, I was starting to get used to the way that Bitcoin behaves. And I was realizing that this copy trading thing, it wasn't even going to give me a lot of money. The guy that I was copying, like his account name was Slow and Steady. So by the beginning, you know that you're not going to get a lot of money, but you will have low risk. I got a bit tired of that copy trading thing, which wasn't giving me a lot of money, and I wasn't seeing any kind of results, like real results. But I was getting used to the Bitcoin graph. So one day I took the $200 out of the copy trading thing and I put it on Bitcoin. I bought $200 worth of Bitcoin. 5 minutes after I bought the $200 of Bitcoin, the price really went up like 12%, and that was actually the first time I see good green numbers. After 2 weeks, the price of Bitcoin really went down. It went to $51,000. Gladly, that was the lowest point from this section of the graph. And this last 3 to 4 days, the price has been increasing. And then hopefully we'll be seeing a all-time high this next days. That's my prediction. So that was it. That's my investing story. I wanted to tell you this story because I want to show that it's actually easy and possible to start making something, even though you don't earn that super big amount of money. You only need to save a bit, research a little bit, get some information, get some options, and eventually you will end up doing what you want to do, in this case, investing. Next videos I will be showing you my investment accounts. I'll be describing to you the way that I describe to myself the graphs. In those videos you might see a little bit of how to invest, where to invest. I hope you like this video. I will be posting more videos. I will be talking about some other things, not only investment things. See you later. Have a great day. Until the next one.